Hello everybody, and welcome to Chef on a Boat, where I'll show you how to create large flavors in small spaces. Today I want to show you how to make one of my favorite snacks, which is Tortilla de Patatas. It's, at its basic level, just requires potatoes, eggs, and olive oil. Sometimes you can throw in onions as well, so let's go ahead and get started on this. There are different types of potatoes that you could use for this. I prefer waxy ones like Yukon Gold, as they hold their shape better when cooked, but you could also make it with russets or other types of potatoes. Regardless of the type, it's important that they are thinly sliced. This helps them to cook quickly and all at the same time, and the same goes for the onions. Alright, let's check to see that the oil is hot enough, and it is. Now you never want to put something in the hot oil with your hands. That's why I use a bowl and just slowly introduce the potatoes and the onions into the oil. I give them a quick stir to coat everything with oil and see that they are evenly distributed. Then I turn the heat to medium-low, cover the potatoes, and let them cook for about 15-20 minutes, stirring occasionally. After about 15 minutes, I'll start checking to see if the potatoes are done by piercing them with a fork. If the fork enters easily, they're done. Once they're done, I'll drain the oil through a strainer and let the potatoes cool for about 10 minutes. Save the leftover oil though, because you can use it for another time. As a rule, when I'm breaking lots of eggs for a recipe, I'll break each egg into an individual bowl, because there's really nothing worse than being 5 eggs in, and that 6th egg that I just broke into all the others is bad. Okay, a little bit of salt, and because I like it, a little bit of white pepper. I'll give this a quick whisk again here, and then it's time to fold the potatoes gently into the eggs. You want to make sure that the potatoes are really well covered with all the eggs before starting to cook them. While I'm cooking the tortilla, I'll shake the pan and run a spatula around the sides just to make sure that it doesn't stick at all. Alright, now that it's cooked around the edges and partially set in the middle, it's time to flip it. And this is where it can get interesting. It's important to use a plate that's larger than the pan and then to flip in one smooth, quick motion. While it's cooking for a few minutes on the other side, tuck in the edges to give it a nice, smooth look. And we're done. I'm so looking forward to enjoying this tortilla. Oops. I ate that slice too quick. I wanted to take another shot, but with the hot sauce that I put on it, it's so good. Anyway, I guess I'll have another slice. Yeah, that was good. Normally you can serve these with an aioli or mayonnaise, but I love it with the hot sauce. And sometimes I'll have the recipe and make like a little personal pan tortilla. So good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, buon provecho.